Hi everyone, my name is Tariq and how are you doing? Well, as you know that we already have made a lot of videos to product sheet workbook and this is not the first video. We already have made a lot of videos. We have shared the link. Uh, you can check out the link as well. And if you are a new user, if you are a new viewer, you can go back and check the playlist. You will be able to see all the videos available. In this video we are going to talk about the marked as final options. So sometimes what happen is we already have finalized a file and we just want user to see that. If user try to enter anything, user has no option to do that. User can select but not able to make any changes. And there's also message coming up below the menu bar marked as final, so that user can get to know that this is already the final sheet, and if there is an option to edit, so we have that option as well. So how to do that? Let's get started. So this is a very quick video, and in this video there's nothing more, nothing special in this. So all you need to do is to go to the info option in the file menu and go to the workbook. In the workbook you have to go mark as final. So you'll get this message, this workbook will be marked as final and then saved. So you have to click OK on this button. If you don't want, then click on the tick button, and the moment you save it you will be able to do that. And let's click on this one and try to reopen this. So how do we get that? We already have got this message. If you want to make some changes, we are not able to do that. I just clicked on this one and I just saved it. Now if I open this once again, I will not get this message because I already have made changes. So if you want to apply that, I'll have to go back again and protect workbook, and I'll have to mark that again. So this is how we can use this, but this is not very useful function. Although if you want, you can use that. So this is how we can apply marked as final. So this was all. So in the next videos we'll come up with the new things. So please share your comments in the comment box. Thank you very much.